Today I am making carrot juice and beetroot. Carrot beetroot juice. So in my blender here I already cut up 2 beetroot into 8 pieces, and then I'm going to add my carrot. On this side I already separated 5 eggs. So this is the egg white and these are the egg yolk, and I am going to bake with this roasted red rice flour. I did tell you in my previous video that I was going to make it, and so today is the day. So it's all crowded here because today I am baking, cooking and doing things at the same time. Yeah, so I'm going to get my carrot and then let's get started. First with the juice and then later with the cake. Okay, stay tuned. So I got the carrot. Now I'm just going to wash them and then cut them in half. And then put them in the blender. So now I will just get them like this size and drop them in the blender. My blender can manage that. So I'm going to cut them now. Now I put the carrot inside. So as you can see, they are chopped big. Then I have here water. I'm going to pour some water in it. So that was half a liter, because my blender can hold 2 liters, so that was like half a liter of water, so 500 milliliter of water. And now we're going to blend. Don't mind the noise here, it's my coffee machine. I'm making coffee for my husband. So we are going to blend. That's enough, and now I'm going to strain it out and then add ta-da, sorry for delaying, but as I wanted to say before, that this is nutmeg, and I have here condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. My phone is telling me that it's full, so that's why I'm going to film really quick today. So I'm straining it out now. Whatever is left inside here, you just use some water, put over it, and then you just mix it and then pour the rest. That's it. Then I'm going to squeeze like this until we only get out the juice. But if even something is left back, it's no problem. So when I'm done doing this, then I will add the condensed milk to it and the nutmeg, and then we chill it in the fridge. Okay, hope you like this part, and now we are going to the cake part. Oh, I just finished straining it out, and now I'm going to add the condensed milk. according to your likings, like always. And then the nutmeg, just a bit, and then we blend it all together, and then we are done. So that's it for the juice. Now let me taste it. So here I have my little cup. I'm going to taste it now. That's good. The sweetness is perfect. Yeah. So off to the cake. Now I'm going to beat the egg white until it becomes a stiff foam. Then I will go on to the egg yolk. While I'm beating the egg white, I am going to add 50 milligrams of sugar. Step by step. So the sugar is fully incorporated, and as you can see, that's perfect. It doesn't fall out. Now I'm going over to the egg yolk. I'm going to put 30 grams of sugar in there too and whip it as well. So I'm going to whip the egg yolk and the sugar now together until it becomes creamy. Majority of you already make a cake, so you know how this is going to be. So I will continue mixing until I get the right consistency. Okay, see you next week. Now I'm going to add in the 50 milliliter or 50 grams of oil. Then I'm going to whip this together and then add 50 milliliter of milk. Add the milk inside. I'm going to whip this too, and then we're going to add the 90 grams of this flour inside of it. Maybe just a half. Mix again. You can do this with any other flour, normal flour. So remember, this is red rice, roasted red rice flour. I'm going to add the rest of the flour inside. And now I'm going to whip again until it's fine. Then slowly we will also add in or fold in the egg white, the stiff egg white. think that's a lot of mixing. I'm going to now add in the egg white. And this is the batter for light sponge cake, and I already preheat my oven to 170 degrees, and we are going to bake it for an hour. I'm going to add in the rest of the egg white, and then I'm folding in the rest now inside. And I also greased my baking tin already. Yeah, I am curious just as you, except that maybe some of you already tried this out with this flour. The next cake I will be doing is with almond flour or coconut flour. Yeah, so this is well fully incorporated, and now I am just going to pour it into the baking tin. So here's my baking tin, and now I'm going to pour it starting from the middle. So and it spreads out by itself. And to get out the air, we will just lift the pan or twist it, turn it a bit to get out those air. Okay, as for now, I will leave it to this and put it in the oven. See you soon. So you do like this, or turn it around to get out the air. You see that? That's what we don't want. So that's what we want to get out as soon as tastes good. Okay, now ready for the oven. And ta-da! It's in the oven. See you soon.